Today we're going to show you an easy solution for creating ADA signage. The Americans with Disabilities Act has greatly enhanced the lives of millions of Americans. There has never been a better time to get into the growing ADA signage market. Creating ADA signage is easy if you have the right tools. To get started, all you need is a computer, a ROLAND EGX engraver, a raster pen tool, engraving software, and ADA signage substrates. ADA signage can become a great profit center for your sign or engraving business. ROLAND's EGX engravers make it easier than ever to ensure you are producing fully compliant, upscale ADA signage for those who rely on it. With the EGX, you can produce tamper-resistant signs with inlaid graphics and informational signs for fire exits and building layout diagrams. Each can be color-filled easily. The EGX is the perfect solution for hotels, hospitals, restaurants, apartments, offices, and more. You may choose from a range of professional ADA compliant software, including popular ENGRAVE and ENGRAVE. Both have all the tools you need to create all types of ADA signage and are excellent solutions for working with vector images and generating Braille. Once you've installed your software and connected your EGX engraver to the computer, you're ready to begin working. The entire production process can be completed in minutes. First, import your design file into ENGRAVE or ENGRAVE. To create the Braille, enter your text and convert it to a Braille font. The software makes it easy. After confirming the layout, you can review the engraving parameters for the pictogram and text and for the Braille engraving. Once everything looks correct, you're ready to output the sign. ADA signage is a two-material process that requires both an ADA-compliant single-layer substrate and tactile material. Begin by loading the substrate. Next, use the control panel to move the carriage into position. It should be located to the lower left corner of the material. Load your engraving tool and adjust to the surface of the material. The engraving depth is automatically set by the software in order to ensure compliance with ADA regulations. Now you can begin engraving the Braille portion of the sign using the Braille drill cutter. To create the raised Braille text, you'll insert specially sized plastic beads called rasters into the holes you've just engraved. To insert the rasters, we recommend using the raster pen tool from Accent Signage Systems. Next, place the adhesive-backed tactile material into position on the substrate. Once again, move the carriage into position. When this is completed, replace the Braille drill cutter with the character cutter and adjust the depth. Output the file, and the EGX will automatically route the text and pictogram. Remove the excess material. That's it! Your ADA signage is finished in minutes. Here's an example of your potential return on investment. Thank you for joining our workshop today. Remember, you can view our entire video workshop series and register for Roland University online at www.rolandega.com.